Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something super exciting to show you. We're diving into the world of AI-generated videos, and I'll be using a cool tool called Kling AI to do it. Whether you're a content creator or just curious about AI, this tool is going to blow your mind. Let's get started. So, first, let's visit Kling AI. This is where the magic happens. As soon as you land on the homepage, you'll notice three main options: AI images, AI videos, and video editor. Now, the video editor feature isn't available just yet, but today we'll be focusing on the AI video generation feature. As you can see, Kling AI also offers sample videos and images that were generated using AI. What's cool is that the prompt used to create the video is displayed alongside it, so you can get a clear idea of how the prompts work. Let me show you a video I created. Here you can see the prompt box where you write your text, and I've already selected the text to video option. At the top of the screen, you'll notice free credit points that you receive when you sign up. These credits are what you'll use to generate your videos. Kling AI offers a variety of video settings. One of the most interesting is this horizontal bar where you can adjust the creativity and relevance of the video. Creativity: how imaginative the AI-generated video will be. Relevance: how closely the video matches your prompt. You can choose between standard mode and professional mode. Standard mode is less expensive and free to use, while professional mode gives you premium features, but at a higher cost. There's also an option to choose the length of the video. You can create a 5-second video for 10 credits or a 10-second video for 20 credits. And if you want to change the video's look, you can adjust the aspect ratio to suit your needs. This is one of the coolest features: camera control. You can adjust settings like camera movement, zoom, pan, tilt, and roll. It really lets you get creative with your video. There's also a negative prompt box. Here you can specify things you don't want in your video. For example, if you're making a nature video but don't want any birds in it, you can mention that here. Once you've set everything up, click the Generate button. The AI will take some time to process, but after that, your video will be ready. Isn't it amazing how you can generate a video with just a simple prompt? And don't forget, these videos are entirely AI generated. They're not real, and they're definitely not pulled from Google. For example, here's a video I made of a panda dancing in a sari. Just look at how fun and creative you can get with this tool. Let's try another example, this time a cute puppy. The prompt I'm using is: show a small, playful puppy with a tiny, oversized bow tie sitting inside a giant coffee mug. The puppy's expressive eyes and fluffy fur are prominently featured, while the mug and surrounding kitchen items are softly blurred. The scene exudes warmth and cuteness. For this one, I've set the creativity level to 0.25 to make it more imaginative. Another thing to consider is the length of your video. I've set this one to 5 seconds to keep it quick and snappy, but you could go for 10 seconds if you need more time. Just keep in mind that longer videos will cost more credits. 5 seconds costs 10 credits, while 10 seconds costs 20 credits. And I've selected Zoom under Camera Control. And finally, there's the negative prompt box. This is where you can specify what you don't want in your video. So, for example, if I don't want the puppy to interact with any other animals, I could mention that here to avoid distractions. Now, let's generate the video. Now, the video might take a little time to generate, depending on the complexity of your prompt and the length of the video you selected. While it's processing, don't worry, just give it a minute or two. The AI is doing a lot of work behind the scenes to interpret your prompt and create the video from scratch. You'll see a loading bar, and once it's completed, your video will be ready to preview.
A few inches later.
Here's the final result. It took a little bit of time, but trust me, it's worth the wait. The AI has really captured the playful puppy with the oversized bow just as I imagined. And the best part? Once your video is ready, you can easily download it by clicking the download button and use it however you like, for your social media, projects, or even just for fun.
Damn!
That's it for today, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Kling AI is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to create unique videos using the power of AI. So, what are you waiting for? Go give it a try and unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.